Hey everyone, Cameron here. Today I'm going to be showing you a new project that Sellvia is telling me about because they really liked my tutorial videos, and so they're showing me this new project of theirs called Sellvia Mall. Now, as I understand it, this is basically an online mall for people who want to get to know AI and use it to make themselves more productive, more healthy, grow their business, make passive income, things like that. I think it's a really great idea because there are so many different ways that you can use AI, and so many smart people are finding newer and better ways to use it to help them generate passive income or just boost their productivity or whatever it is that you're interested in. So I'm really happy. I'm really grateful that Sellvia sent this to me. I hope they launch soon because a lot of the stuff here just looks fantastic. And as you can see, they even give a $500 free grant right now, which is amazing. That's money that I can use to, or you can use to buy these guides and, start learning about this. So here's the homepage. You can see we've got the normal start for free and their mission statement, helping millions succeed with AI. We built Sellvia Mall so anyone can master AI tools, unlock new opportunities, and grow because progress belongs to everyone. That's just such a cool idea. I really like the idea of not gatekeeping a technology, but being progressive with it, being open with it, and basically saying like, hey, this is not a walled garden. This is not some kind of skill that we need to gatekeep. Everyone can learn this and everyone can benefit from it. It's just such a cool idea. All right, let's look at some of their categories. So below here, it says AI and tech for everyday life, and it looks like they've got some products. AI-powered productivity, the smart to-do list checklist. Wow. Okay, very cool. So it looks like these are around productivity and using AI to brainstorm ideas faster. Oh, okay. Yeah, so all of these are going to be guides on some sort of productivity or task and using AI to do it better. Let's go ahead and click on one. I want to see your checklist for writing a children's book. All right, so I could add this to my cart and instantly download it. It looks like, yeah, it's just going to be AI brainstorming made simple and engaging story. Wow, this is so cool. So if you are looking to build a digital product, like a digital children's book or even print media, you could use this guide to help you get started and really learn a lot. That is just fantastic. Let's go ahead and go back. All right. The next one they've got is well-being and self-care, which, wow, using AI for that, I wouldn't have even thought of it, to be honest, but it seems like such a great idea. AI-powered journaling, that must be fantastic. You can prompt with the AI. The AI over time will learn your habits and stuff, I'm guessing. That is just so cool. Money, habits, and wealth. I can definitely see where having a guide showing you how to use AI in this area could be super helpful. Travel hacks and planning, also cool. Fashion and style, interesting. Chic and casual weekend looks. Let's look at that one. I have no idea how you would use AI in this sense, but it's really interesting to me. Effortlessly style your weekends with chic, casual outfits. Learn how to look fashionable with ease. No way, I need this. I am not very good with style. Ask anyone. How this checklist helps you master the casual but chic style formula, build a versatile. Wow. Use AI for personalized outfit planning. I just think this is so cool. So cool. Whatever it is you're looking for, you could definitely find something on here to help you out. Okay, and that's it. Sellvia Mall is a company built on goodwill and a simple idea. Doing well by doing good. Our mission is to help people succeed in the modern world by teaching them how to use AI to their advantage. What a cool idea. I really like that. Okay, let's go back up to the top and just look. Shop, I'm guessing, yep, these are all the different categories that you can go into. Blog, we know, is going to be Sellvia's blog themselves, and about is just all about this Sellvia Mall website. And it looks like there's the normal things you would see: a login, this awesome sign up grant, free $500 is just amazing, and a shopping cart. Well, that is going to be all for today, everybody. Thank you for watching this video, and a huge thanks to Sellvia for giving me access to Sellvia Mall. Once again, such a cool product, such a cool idea. I really hope that lots of you guys sign up for this because it just seems like such a great way to improve yourself. That's all for me. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.